Hello everybody and welcome back. So today in this video, as you can see, it's written body movements. So we're going to learn about body movements. Let me give you a short glimpse as to what exactly in this topic body movements we're going to learn. We're going to learn about bones, joints, skeleton and also muscles. We are also going to have a look on exercises and the posture of a body. So come on now, let's get started. Bones. What are bones? Bones are hard. We cannot see the bones, but when we touch, it's hard. So, children, when you touch your body, when you touch your fingers, when you touch your thigh, your arms, the hard portion is your bones. You cannot see, but when we touch, it's hard, okay? Bones are present throughout a body. From your head till your toe, your body is covered with bones. You cannot see it, but you can feel it, okay? It protects all our delicate internal body parts such as heart, brain, etc. And the bones which are protecting the heart is called as the rib cage, whereas the bone which is protecting the brain is called as the skull. Now, what are joints? The place where two or more bones meet or join are known as joints. Examples are elbow joint, knee joint, etc. It helps us to do different movements such as walking, writing, dancing, etc. So children, you can touch your finger. Okay, when you bend your finger, you can see that there are 1, 2 and 3. Yes, there are 3 joints in your finger. Okay, so the place where 2 or more bones are meeting, that becomes the meeting point of the 2 bones are called as joints. And there are joints throughout our body, and with the help of the joints we do different movements, and the examples are many. We write, we dance, we walk, we do so many things. Skeleton. Now all the bones are joined together to form a human frame. This frame of bones are called as skeleton. In an adult there are 206 bones. Skeleton supports and gives shape to our body. So the human frame of bone are called as skeleton. Just imagine, children, if God would have not given a skeleton in our body, then how our body would have been. Just give it a thought. So skeleton is a very important part of our body. Now, what are muscles? Muscles are soft. Muscles are soft flesh attached to the bones. Now, on the top of the bones, we have muscles. So, when you pull your cheeks, when you touch your thighs, when you touch your arms, when you touch your stomach, you get a feeling of softness. So, that is muscles. So, muscles are soft. Now, muscles are attached to the bones and help them to move. There are 600 different types of muscles in our body. As you can see that the muscles are attached to the bones. So, muscles and bones together they do many things. As you can see, it's written here also. See, bones and muscles work together. They help us to do different kind of work such as weightlifting, swimming, etc. So bones and muscles perform the work together. Now, exercises. Exercise and eating healthy food is a very important part. Okay, it plays a very important part in our day-to-day life. It makes our muscles and bones strong. Jogging and walking are some of the good exercises which we should do every day. Exercise. Strong muscles and bones help us to work and play together without getting tired. So, if you have strong bones and muscles, you will not get tired very soon. But if you have weak bones and muscles, you will be tired and you will be sleepy all the time. Now, posture. Posture means the position of a body whenever we sit, stand, or move. We must keep our back straight whenever we sit or whenever we stand. So you should have a straight posture, erect posture. We must walk upright. We should not bend our back while walking or sitting. See, you can see in the pictures also. You should be upright to have a perfect posture for your body, a perfect shape of your body. Now, why we should have correct posture? Correct posture helps all the parts in our body to work properly. It helps us to look smart. So when you have a correct posture, your body will look smart and it will help your body to work properly. Now few posture to sit and stand are as follow. You can see when it's a wrong posture there is a cross mark, and if it is the correct posture there is a tick mark. So just have a look on the correct posture when we sit and when we stand. I hope correct posture when we sit and when we stand. Joints, skeleton, muscles, exercises, and also about the posture. Thank you so much.